Hi. Welcome to PDF.co. In this video, we will show you how to automatically extract data from monthly reports and send via email using PDF.co and Integromat. You can see the link to the full tutorials in the description box below. Come and check out PDF.co for more info. We will use this sample analytics report and extract the organic search value in the table. So, let's begin. First, log into your Make account, formerly Integromat, and click on the Create a New Scenario button. Next, search and select PDF.co app. And choose the Parse a Document module to automatically read extracted data in the table. Now, let's connect the PDF.co account by adding the API key. You can get the API key in your PDF.co dashboard. Next, tick off the box for Show Advanced Settings. In the From field, choose the email address you want to send the email from. In the To field, enter the recipient's email address. In the Subject field, enter the email's subject. In the Content field, enter your message and select the PDF.co parsed value. Now, let's run the scenario to send the extracted data into the recipient's email address. We successfully send the extracted data into the recipient's email address. Here's the email that we successfully sent with the extracted data from reports. We have a lot of tutorials that you can check on our PDF.co website. Or visit on our YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell icon. Thank you for watching.